dark inside of me that makes you feel so numb. 'Cause I hate hell to burn with another in your body.